How to connect to transfer files. Each input, sound pads and master signal are recorded on separate files. This enables you to apply various changes or effects to each file by using a computer or smartphone. To make a file transfer, you need to make sure you are connected correctly to the desired destination via USB. Then you'll need to open the menu by pressing the menu button. Then use up and down to select File Transfer. And then press Enter again. You'll then need to use the computer or smartphone or tablet to complete any file transfers you wish to make. When the file transfer screen is open, other functions cannot be used. When you're finished, press the menu button to go back. And then press again to go back to the home screen. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.